I'm Dr. Earl Fisher of the Abyssinian Baptist Church here in Memphis, Tennessee. Each Sunday, I, along with the clergy and clergy organizations that constitute the African American Clergy Collective of Tennessee, which is a 501c4 advocacy organization of black clergy across this state, will be sharing a weekly update called Faith and Facts in 5. Here are some facts. Project 2025, a conservative policy blueprint spearheaded by the Heritage Foundation and supported by allies of President Donald Trump, proposes radical rollbacks across federal agencies, including the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. This plan seeks to strip the EPA of its ability to regulate air and water pollution effectively and dismantle key environmental justice protections. But here's the thing. We're already feeling the effects in Tennessee, especially in Memphis. In the 38109 zip code, home to Boxtown in South Memphis, residents are now forced to breathe air polluted by 35 gas turbines installed to power Elon Musk's XAI data center. XAI claims the turbines are temporary, allowing them to bypass permitting for hazardous pollutants like nitrogen oxide and formaldehyde. This loophole exists because of a weakened federal regulations and diminished EPA enforcement power, much of which began under the Trump administration. And if Project 2025 continues to become our reality, things will only get worse. Here's some faith. The Bible reminds us in Psalm 24, verse 1, the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, the whole earth, and everybody that dwells therein. That means we are stewards, not saboteurs of God's creation. As black faith leaders and community members, we must resist any political project that would turn our communities into dumping grounds for corporate greed and governmental neglect. We must do all we can to ensure this project and any project like it will be environmentally and economically beneficial for the citizens. Our ancestors tilled this land and survived environmental violence for centuries. So today, we must fight not just for survival, but for sustainability. We must fight for clean air, clean water, and dignified living. So I know what you're asking, what can you do? Here are 3 steps we can all take together. Locally, demand the Memphis City Council and Shelby County Commission create stronger environmental oversight for industrial development. No more rubber stamping polluters without community consent. Number 2, statewide, here's what we could do. We could urge the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation, the TDEC, to review outdated permitting loopholes and increase inspections in vulnerable communities. And 3, federally, stay alert and vote accordingly. The 2026 midterm elections are vastly approaching. They'll be here before you know it. And we must elect leaders who will protect and not gut the EPA and environmental safeguards. Let's stay rooted in truth, grounded in faith, and committed to action. Because if we don't protect our air, our water, and our children, who will? In solidarity and stewardship, I'm Dr. Earl Fisher, Abyssinian Baptist Church. Peace.